Did you know you make $100 per day on YouTube even before you get monetized? No ads, no 1,000 subscribers, no 4,000 watch hours, and still earning daily. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how creators are making money outside of YouTube monetization by combining viral shorts with a powerful AI tool and a smart monetization strategy. If you stick with me until the end, you'll see step by step how you can get started today. To show you a proof, this is my second YouTube channel, which I use to earn money with this method. This channel has only 38 subscribers, but when it comes to views, it has a total of 18.2 thousands views, while the latest video uploaded in this month has got 1.1 thousands views. And these videos in this channel were completely created with a single click from this platform, which I'm going to show you soon. As you can see here, once a play, this video completely resembles this video on YouTube. So stay with me until the end of this video because I'm going to reveal a tool that can make professional viral shorts like this, and also I will show you the platform which will turn your views into cash while you wait for YouTube monetization. Without wasting time, let's get started. First, let's do a quick observation on which content will go viral, even if you start from scratch. And from my quick observation, the health and weight loss niche has got millions of views like this short. And this channel is in the same niche. So if you don't have a channel and like that niche, this is the way. But if you are interested in life tips, making money online tips, or anyone, it's okay, just follow the steps that are going to show you, then everything will be okay. Head over to Google search for chatgp.com, then write this prompt. Give me a prompt that I will use in an AI video maker to create a short video on how to lose weight quickly through a simple home workout. And the call to action of this video is click this link for free complete losing weight tips. You can edit the final part and put the statement according to your selected niche. ChatGPT will create a prompt for you. Just copy it ready to use to your AI video maker. The tool I use to create those videos in that small channel is called Clipwise AI. It's like your personal video editor, scriptwriter, and idea generator in one. Just type your topic and Clipwise will give you a full viral-ready script. It automatically finds trending stock clips, adds captions, and formats everything for YouTube Shorts. No camera, no expensive software, it's all AI. To start with, click the link in the description below, then register for a free account by filling your username, email, and password, or simply sign up with your Google account, then log in. Where you will find this dashboard. There are several ways to create a video in Clipwise, like link to video, which you can copy the link of any viral video, then post it here, and your video that will look like copied, one will be generated quickly. Also, there is an option of AI in real life, where Clipwise will generate a video based on real-life story, and prompt guided, where you will write your prompts, and this is what we're going to use today. At the top, there are different options like viral faceless, quiz for kids, Reddit story, and others. So we will choose viral faceless. And then just paste your prompt here. Choose the video language where there are multiple languages here. You can customize it more by clicking on Customize More. Then at the bottom, there is the visual theme you prefer. You can click on View More to see more themes, then choose one you like. But cinematic one is the best theme for me, and I always use to all of my videos. Then lastly, click on Generate. Then wait for your script to be generated. Once done, you can preview it and regenerate if you don't like it. And finally, click on Start Generate a Video. From there, you will be directed here where you need to choose voiceover based on your video gender. For me, I will choose female, then select any voice I prefer. You can choose by click on it and listen one by one according to your video type. In storytelling niche, old man voiceover is the best. So after choosing it, you can also edit the image and write a prompt on which type of image you want. Then Clipwise will generate it for you. Once satisfied, click on Convert All Image to Video. This is the amazing feature of Clipwise, since the video generated will not be like image slides, but will be like recorded video. This increases the chance of going viral. Once done, you will see your images change to video. Click on Next. Then here choose Background Music by playing one by one. Then choose Video Caption, and lastly, Video Overlay. Once chosen, you can preview on the video playing, and finally click on Next and wait for your video to be generated. And finally, our video is ready, so we can play it. Boom! Your video is ready to post on YouTube and start making money. Clipwise premium features need subscription, but the money that you will pay is so cheap compared to the value of content that you will get from it. I guarantee you that if you post 3 short videos per day, you start to see results in the first week, and your short will go viral. The subscription starts at $10 per month in yearly basis and $25 per month in monthly basis. Remember this, it's hard to start making money without using money. Now, let's see how to get paid from the views that you will get from it. The platform that will pay you from each view that will click on their link is Montag through their Smart Link. Smart Link clicks are paid once triggered from anywhere in the world. The issue now is how to get that Smart Link and how to attach it in your video so people can view and click on it and make money. Here is the way. Click the link in the description where you will be directed to this page where you have to fill in your personal details like username and emails, or simply sign up using your Google account. It's so easy to get sign up and easy to be approved in Monetag. Important to note, use your real information when signing up or you won't be able to withdraw your money. After sign up, log into your account, then your dashboard will look like this. To get your Smart Link, go to a direct link, then you can copy it, ready to share, and start making money. Below it, you will find a statistics section where you can view your earning records like RPM, CPM, and traffic sources. So copy your direct link and let's see how to use it to earn. Now back to YouTube, then upload your video. I will not cover the right way to upload video on YouTube. If you need to know that, click the video attached on the description below. The important section is how to attach the Smart Link. First, tell ChatGPT to create a video title, video description, and video tags. Then use those to your video. Then in description, attach your link and tell the views. Click this link for free complete lose weight tips. Then to URL link shortener like tinyURL, then shorten your Smart Link, copy the new one and paste it here, and then finally publish your video. From there, wait to get views and start generating commission to your Monetag account. The magic is in repetition. Make at least 3 to 5 shorts per week, test different topics but on the same niche, and watch your CTR, click-through rate. US traffic pays the most, so use US trending keywords like keto diet, home workout side hustle, work from home, and make money online fast. If you do it consistently, you will start to make some cash while you're waiting for YouTube monetization. If you face any challenge, just contact me on my Facebook page. I will give you a step-by-step guide for free. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel so I can give you more online money-making tips like this. If you need another simple and easy way to make money online and get paid $3 per each email submission, just watch the video showing up on the screen. Thanks for watching, and see you there.